Ready? Transitioning broadcast. Okay, it's ready.
Okay. Very interesting. Where are you running that from? The iPad? Wait a minute, am I supposed to hit a link?
No, you guys don't have to do anything right now. I'm just testing.
Are you sending out a Q&A link? Maybe.
So we're not talking.
What? What do you want us to say?
Yeah, I stole a bunch of your big straws, by the way.
Whoa.
That's okay.
Can you buy me some?
Why don't you just take some?
I did.
It's like on delay.
Did you guys hear you?
Yeah.
Well, of course it's gonna be delayed, but
Wow.
yeah, that's
There.
what.
really
Okay.
live.
Do you seriously think things are completely live, Tyler?
Could be.
Yes.
I think
On a
Tyler's
7-second
life is
delay in
live.
case you
See?
swear. Right?
Did you feel that in like real time, or is it delayed?
I hope. I will not burn.
Okay.
I hope.
You better
At
not
least you're
break.
saying that live on YouTube, by the way.
What?
Are you ready yet?
Is that confirmed? Yeah, I'm just getting it ready.
Tell Nana you snooze, you lose.
Oh, you're moving. You are not staying there.
Alright, I'm getting it ready, everyone.
My God, why does nothing rip? That's why I moved the scissors down here now.
It ripped.
Well, it didn't rip, it cut.
Yeah, basically.
And that's not working that well either. There you go. Okay.
That smells so good.
I'm ready, Jack. I'm just opening stuff. I'm going to.
I can even hear it bubbling.
Oh my God, I hate this so
Understand
much.
what live
You're gonna learn
Bye,
to
Jack.
play in a
I'm waiting.
Scram. Move over.
Okay. So, welcome to SDC 7. This is the first SDC at a remote location, and also with a live YouTube stream. And you can say hello to anyone there.
Hi, you two.
Hello.
So,
Hola.
today, so here's what's happening today. Just give it a second. So we're going to talk about the SDC broadcast, all of the new Sabrina 15 features. Then we're going to talk about the Sabrina companion and the AIQ score for Sabrina.
See.
So first off is the SDC broadcast.
Okay.
So first off, last SDC we had 2 hours of music requested
Mm.
and $33 raised from raffles, and there were 9 people there.
Nice.
Pretty good.
And on Sabrina Assistant, this is our map of worldwide installs, and it has grown since then. So areas that are darker blue, there are more installs there. Let's see, with Australia,
Mm-hmm.
some in I think it's France, and a couple in
Yeah.
Canada. So
Canada.
that's why we're having a live broadcast to the world on YouTube today for the first time.
Very cool.
So first is Sabrina 15. So Sabrina 15 gains the ability to set reminders and calendar events, which we've been waiting for a very long time. And also, you can get weather data, and you can specify your city and state, like by saying what's the weather, and then you'll get a pop-up on your screen telling you, asking for the city that you live in. And it goes worldwide, so it can get city and weather information from anywhere. And we're going to be skipping the demos for today.
Oh. Aw,
Darn
why?
it. Yeah, why?
I wanted to know the weather in Sydney.
The complications.
Okay.
We also have House OS 5 So this is what runs on the Sabrina companion. So, okay, so we now have keyword detection. So when you say, "Hey Sabrina," it will be able to answer you. You can plug in whatever kind of speaker you want. And also this new thing called Fast Boot and Easy Setup. So Fast Boot, it gets rid of all of those unnecessary parts of starting up a device. And it makes it very quick. And Easy Setup is just how you set up the device, and it's very simple. You just have to use the companion app, which will be coming soon.
Okay.
So, as I said earlier, Easy Setup with this program called Django.
Oh, okay.
Sweet name.
Sounds like that
And
movie.
so it uses a setup program run by this tool. So it creates the companion creates a Wi-Fi network, and then the app connects to it, so you can set up right away. And the best part is, you don't have to worry about anything about that. It just does it automatically through the app when you set up. And again, we will be skipping along. Okay, now AIQ.
I need visuals.
So for this new version of Sabrina, we have the AIQ test, the Artificial Intelligence IQ test, where we tested many different assistants. It's a little blurry up here on the screen. So this is Google Assistant, who scored a 95. Siri scored around an 87. Cortana was 65. Alexa was extremely low, like 57. Dragon Assistant, these are some assistants that we just found on the Google Play Store that shows how well Sabrina is up against them.
Brain is killing it.
65.
I know.
And then Lyra Assistant at 80. And then Sabrina got a 100 on the AIQ test. And I know that it seems a little bit biased, but
I don't know, a little, but
it's
what?
it's not at all, actually.
Can you tell
It
us
just
what
shows-
the test was?
The test included like easy conversations and
Okay.
things like that.
Okay.
At least there's a camera right there. What are you doing? No. We shouldn't be eating food.
It's okay, we got it.
It's my fault. Per usual.
And so it also included like doing simple tasks like texting and calling.
Okay.
And also finding weather results. And
Really?
we actually gave Google a little bit of extra points because she tried to use context when I asked information about a certain city, and then I asked for restaurants nearby. It told me restaurants nearby that city. But
Okay.
that's pretty nice feature. And I didn't include this, but this is something new that's coming, is Sabrina Support. It's going to be coming on the screen. There we go. So, Sabrina Support now has automated support with the server that's going to be always running. So, just give it 1 second. And I will be... Okay. So, Sabrina Technology Support Line now has automatic service. So, as you see on this example, a bot that is created by the server named Wilma is helping with the Sabrina companion. So if you look here, you see the whole conversation.
Oh, Wilma.
And
I know,
they
I
can
love that.
automatically detect what you're trying to talk about, and they have a large number of things that they can help you with. And also, here's a new feature that's coming. It's ML Kit, made by Google.
No, okay. IT.
What?
ML Kit. Takes a minute.
Oh, this is what you told me the other day.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so Sabrina Vision which we've been planning for a while, is now possible with Google's new ML kit. So what it does is it uses a picture from your camera, and Sabrina Vision recognizes what it is, and it can detect landmarks, for example the Eiffel Tower, and it can read text off of menus and things like that. So now we are going to start a Q&A.
The
All
party
right.
is barely over yet.
So can you guys please type this in
What am I typing? Like into where?
into your browser? It's not as bad as it looks.
Goo. I think we just lost Jack Shed.
What? My shed boo?
Gonna go now. Goo,
Goober.
go figure it out.
Stop. Everybody can hear you. Alright.
So
G-O-O-G.
.gl/slides, and anyone watching the live stream can do this too. But let me warn you that if you're watching this stream after it was live, you
Slides.
won't be able to do this.
Wait a minute. Slash. What's after the slides?
Really? Oh, after
Two.
it's live.
We have one person
Jack,
making
wait a
the
minute.
first one.
P-H-W-A-C.
We're not taking it off.
I just sent it to you.
H-W-A-C.
Nana.
What? You sent it to me and I...
Did you get it?
Oh, I just hit... Oh, I think I just got it.
Okay.
As long as you have it.
So let's wait.
Dang it.
So now just everyone, if you can, please send a test message just to make sure it's working.
Highlight.
One
Wait a
second.
minute. Oh, just to like... Oh, she said, Constance just said I can either watch the stream or go to the slides. What do you want her to do? Just watch the stream?
If she wants to, yeah, but maybe if she watches the stream, she'll learn more about what we talked about. So
Okay.
just tell her to watch the stream.
Okay.
All right.
What did he eat?
So before we do that, let's just look at the test message.
What is it?
Wrapper from one of the cupcakes.
Nice.
Ooh, you're a
So
dummy.
here's our test message.
Give me that.
I'll do it.
Is it in his mouth?
Yeah, he's still chewing.
Goober! Give me that.
I'm gonna ask a question.
Where is it?
Sorry, YouTube.
Got it?
No.
I can only open up for so long.
It doesn't have the largest mouth.
SDC is not very pet friendly.
I think he swallowed it.
Okay.
Oh well, it'll
So-
come out in the end. Sorry, Jack. That was a technical dog difficulty.
So test message
Okay.
always last,
That's me.
even though somehow Tyler and Elise
Yes! I beat them both.
and Auntie Cat.
Cat.
Did you answer
I
that
was
question?
first.
I don't
We'll wait
know.
until everyone is on
Oh, okay.
the. So we're just waiting for your test message to start.
Okay, so, Goober, don't even lick me. Okay,
You need help, Tyler? You got
I'm
it.
just gonna read. Okay, Auntie Connie says she's just watching the stream now.
Alright.
Okay, good.
So
I
while
can
we
hear you.
wait, we'll talk about
Okay.
ML Kit. So ML is machine learning. It's artificial intelligence, but it's all automatic, and it learns from, let's say, images to detect certain things.
Oh, yeah.
And someone else has arrived
Oh,
to our Q&A session. For Sabrina
I think I
support in the
lost my-
future, I don't have too much planned after we have the automated server. There'll just be constant updates to what it can help with.
Okay, I get it now.
Can you send
Yeah, but
any questions?
Hey, what
now I wanted to, oh man.
did you do?
Wait a minute, why is it not highlighting? Where do I put the question, the plus sign?
Okay, here's
Alright,
from
sorry about that.
Anonymous, and I will not be answering anonymous questions in the future, but I'll answer this one.
I want my name on YouTube.
It's They can barely see it, I'm sure.
It's not nice. Then don't give us the option to go with anonymous if you're not going to answer them.
Jack, it's not my
I
fault.
can't give them an option. Alright,
Then you should answer
so
them.
it was a random, it was actually all random names.
Yeah, I don't know.
But why Wilma?
Hmm?
Why Wilma?
Because it came up.
Better than Diane.
Well, I think it's funny because when I did it, it was Wilma, and then the next technician I got was Fred. And I felt a real Flintstone connection.
Okay, can you talk about the new Sabrina website? Yeah, I forgot to talk about the website for this SDC. So the website has been updated. So now you can find it at www.sabrinatechnologies.com if you want to look at it yourself. But we will be adding more improvements to it every once in a while. And we do have a privacy policy available if you have the Android app, just in case you wanted to see it. And also, if you look at the website, you can rate how it looks on your phone at the bottom of the screen. And there's an option that you can take a quick survey.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Alright.
These cupcakes. Yes, Elise.
How are you doing?
How are you
I'm
doing?
fine.
Do you want to take a cookie break?
No, I'll be fine. I'll wait until this is over. Explain the kit again.
Yeah.
The ML kit? Okay. So it's this program that Sabrina's going to use. So when you take a picture of something, it will be able to detect what you're looking at. So,
That's that barcode thing.
yeah.
Only it's not a barcode, it's like a stamp.
I think we're going to have to ship one of the cupcakes over to her.
The pregnant lady
Only
wants
when
a
she learns
cupcake.
how to spell proper grammar.
So, does the new camera access part of the app identify local landmarks or
Oh, it can't
Oh,
do
oh.
that. Only. No. I take it back. Contents.
or over?
That's called karma.
Only, I guess.
Or only world landmarks.
Oh.
Uh,
It will probably be able to recognize a large amount, but it's really the only way to test is when the app comes out for iOS, which actually should be soon. When can we expect the Sabrina companion? So it should, not too long. It will be coming during the summer, hopefully. So it will be soon because most of the software is all ready. We just need to get the device printed and everything, 3D printed. And Diana also needs a lesson on grammar.
Oh, it's not
Dear.
me.
What happened?
Tyler, did you just eat a cupcake?
Oh, it was Elise.
Really? You had to ask.
Maybe,
What's a
I don't know.
hole? Like a donut hole?
Someone snack Auntie Cat.
It just loaded now.
Alright, all done.
Tell her I did. Check.
Auntie should be capitalized.
I knew she was gonna
When is Sabrina coming to iOS? As I said earlier, it will hopefully also be coming in the summer. There'll be a little bit more time to work on some new applications and things like that. So let's just wait for the next questions to come in. Just checking to make sure I didn't miss any. Nothing right now.
Oh, it's coming.
Did you ask all the same questions in the same order for your graph? Yes, I did. I'm actually going to be posting on the Sabrina Technologies website the actual test, all the questions that were asked, and it will include that chart, just in case you have
And
any
their
questions.
answers? Like, I'd be curious. Like,
Mhm.
Like that.
if you asked a question and Alexa, answered it one way, Google answered it another way, Sabrina answered another way. I'd be curious to see.
Well, the real thing is, I just focused on if they could actually answer it correctly. Like if you said, sorry, I didn't understand, of course I was not going to count that. But even if the information was like a little bit off, like by, I don't know, 1 degree, I would still allow it.
Okay.
It's just as long as they can get the information.
You mean if they're in the ballpark?
Yeah.
That's what you went for.
I'm here and I wasn't late, you were just early.
Okay.
After the
space-time continuum.
After the companion is in production, what's the next big project? I don't really know yet. Probably just working on Sabrina on iOS, and hopefully I'll have ML Kit added to the Sabrina on iOS app. Is Sabrina going to go all around the world? Well, actually, we're now integrating with Google Cloud Translate, which can translate into around 90 languages. So pretty much, she'll be able to go around the entire
That was a
world.
good question.
Yep. So all languages will
I
be
love
supported
that.
in the
She's
future.
just typing away. That's awesome, Louise.
My phone doesn't like the website and it kicked me off of it.
It's, what, an iPhone?
Ooh.
Somebody's been corrupted by Jack.
Will I be able to use
Who
the
do you think
companion
told me to
if
buy
I
this
don't
phone?
have one?
Sabrina. On iOS.
Sabrina is not needed to use the companion. The companion app does everything by itself. And the companion app will be available at the same time as the companion because it really wouldn't make sense if it wasn't. And that's just the late message.
Okay.
I knew there was something wrong when there was a space app right before the
It said the
question
server
mark.
stopped responding.
What?
Did that one say? Is Sabrina what? Oh, is that from the recent?
Yeah, that was some movies.
Alright.
Oh, I think it got hot in here.
I still think you should visit my school and talk to the people in the technical shops. Maybe I should.
Mr. Wait a minute.
Mr. Perfect Attendance.
Yep, that's what I was.
Can I download this app in Australia? The Sabrina app should be available in Australia, but if you were talking about the companion app, that one's not available on the App Store yet. Forget Perfect Attendance. I think I've done it for long enough now. I'll just finish this year with Perfect Attendance.
He's committed.
Can we have
I tried the
Sabrina
other day.
check sport?
He's
score?
never been out for a day?
Not this year. That might be coming in the future, but right now, companion is the priority. But it probably will one day. If Wolfram Alpha does that, then yes.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I'd like to have sports scores you could just
Go
ask for
Pats.
rather than.
And
Oops.
Nah.
Constance!
Earmuffs.
it's too bad you can't hear it.
That's a darn.
Alright.
Wait a minute, I got another question.
Oh.
Oh, give me a minute. Talk amongst yourselves.
We're all gonna stare at you and wait for the question to show up.
What are we going to talk about after the Q&A?
Yeah. Do
So
you have more slides for us?
there are no more slides after the Q&A, but I hope that this Q&A goes on long enough that it makes up for a couple more slides.
Oh, I'm halfway through typing this.
So when do we get to see the demos? Hopefully,
It kicked me off. I'm done.
hopefully next SDC, and there might also be some samples of how Sabrina works on the website.
Ooh.
Was John whistling?
Pizza. I think she knows that there was pizza here.
Too late.
It's also too late. When is my grandchild going to arrive? I'll wait for a response.
Well, yesterday
to
was
that.
her due day.
Oh.
Oh, that stinks.
Officially late.
Yeah, she missed Uncle David's birthday.
While
That
we
was
wait-
her target date.
Oh wait, is Sabrina
What?
a robot or is she a person?
Hmm.
Her voice is a person, but technically she is a robot, I guess.
It's kind of like Stepford Wives that I just watched with Bebe.
Really? That was on?
Yeah.
Okay,
Then
did
we
you
watched
talk
a lot
about the
of college
QR
softball.
reader?
What's a QR reader?
It's the special codes, the barcodes that we talked about.
How many names does that have?
It's mostly just QR.
Because wasn't that the ML kit?
Well, what does ML stand for? The ML kit?
Thank
QR
you.
reader is ML kit. Machine learning. I said that.
Oh, I think I knew that answer.
Do we have
That
any
wasn't
more
for
voice
me.
recordings done?
I know.
We don't have any more done right now, but we will be doing them soon.
You have a list?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, wait a minute. What was it? We were gonna. I was talking to him, and
From
we were gonna
Elise.
get you to say more stuff.
I think that one went with
I told him
this
he
one.
needs me to.
You didn't talk
just
about the
give you a
QR thing
list.
anymore. Did you mention the
It
QR
just
thing? anymore?
scans QR codes. It's not ready for
I need to
production
create an app
purposes
that,
yet.
as
That's so
Sabrina
good, though.
doesn't know words.
She
and
should
that's
add
what
it to her.
She should add it to my
Here's
list.
our
Send me
next
those.
one.
That's a good thing. You can she just ask this question?
I don't know when my cousin is arriving. Alright, let's.
Ask. Well, I can't. Did you just take my phone from me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm like I can't type it because I don't know where it is. Are you asking him the?
Can you get me a white?
Yeah, the white ones tend not to make your have like blue lips and a blue tongue.
I just hit
Okay.
random buttons
I
and
was
it gave
just-
us a sentence.
I had a question arrive.
Can Sabrina do
What
the
page
boogie?
is on?
Again, she's not a real
Just say
person. I
random
think I've
words.
answered that for the last 2 SDCs in a row. So I don't think so.
Wait a
Will
minute.
we be able to see this on YouTube after it's over? I'm pretty sure.
Something popped up on your screen. Oh wait, just kidding. That's just the screen.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
We don't know how to